Hello, hello, little buckaroos. Today for math, we are doing Unit 5, Lesson 15. Just a reminder to try and use a pencil when we're doing math. I know sometimes we don't always have pencils at home or pencil sharpeners, but just do your best to use a pencil if you have one and can do that. Because that way, if you make mistakes, you don't scribble them out and you can fix them, okay? One thing I really want us to be focusing on is using our best handwriting. If you were in class with Miss Lepke and I came around the room and saw that you didn't do your best, what would you have to do? Your answer should be you would have to redo it. Miss Lepke would make you redo it. So just because I'm not there doesn't mean you don't have to do your best. Because I know what your best looks like, and sometimes when your parents show me your math worksheets, I notice that they're not your best. So make sure you're not rushing through these things. The assignments I give you each day should not take you very long, so there's no need to rush it, okay? We wouldn't rush it at school, so we don't rush it at home either, okay? Enough about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what today's math is going to be. So today is drawing tiny tumblers and writing how many there are on each math mountain. So what you have to do is you're not making, you're telling me what the math, the partner is, okay? So 6 and 1, if you add 6 and 1, what do you get at the top? And so your answer should be, if you didn't know, you could add on. So 6, 7. And so at the top, you're going to write your 7. You're going to make sure it's your nicest handwriting and it's going the correct way. Okay, so that one they already wrote in your tiny tumblers for you, but this next one they didn't. So on this next one, I'm going to start by drawing my tiny tumblers. I'm going to draw 5 here, 3, 4, 5, and I'm just going to add on 6, 7. And I know that 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so I just kept adding on because I could visualize what 2 would look like. If that's hard for you, this is your next option. You can draw your 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can draw your 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you can count them. I'd like to see you adding on, not starting at 1 each time. So not going 1, 2, 3, 4, going 4, 5, 6, 7. Because we can all recognize our number and we know that there's 4 on that side. So being able to add on from that number is really important and it will save you time in your addition. Okay, so let's just do one more together and then I think that you guys can be set free to do this. So 7 on this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice that my tiny tumblers are not too big, they're not too small, they're just right. I need 1 on this side, and if I added 7, after 7 comes 8. So my 7 plus 1 is 8, or 7 and 1 makes 8, and that's a partner. Okay, so you're going to continue that on this page. You have to start by drawing your tiny tumblers, then add them together, trying to add on from that first side of the math mountain. Okay, then on the back, you just have to do all subtraction, all taking away. Okay, and I think that we all know how to do that by now. Just a quick reminder, you don't need to worry about the check for understanding, but a quick reminder is if you're still struggling to do this with your hands, remember you can draw your circles. So remember when we're subtracting, it's put up the first number, take away the second number. You're not going to put up both numbers. So I put up my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I take 3 away. 1, 2, 3, I'm left with 2. Okay. Okay, you guys, I think that you can handle this page on your own. Use your circles if you're struggling. Use your hands. So again, just really quick, if I'm doing this next one, if I was starting with 3, I take away 3, I'm left with 0. Okay, so you can use your hands too, or if you just have them memorized, you can do that as well. Okay, good luck with your math today.